Hey everybody, welcome back to the Box Tricks. In this video, I'm going to explain how to fix the audio delay. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to select a network. I do have the video on mute. So when you select your network, if you look down, there's going to be a gear icon. All right, so there's going to be a gear icon. It's the very first icon on the right. If you select it, it's going to give you this audio pop-up box. From here, you can either select plus or minus, and what we have found to be the best is usually around 450. So you can go ahead and select the plus 450 or the minus 450. Sometimes you may have to play with it to get it to best suit whatever you're watching. But that is basically how you fix the audio delay. And to get this pop-up box gone, just go ahead and hit your backup button. And from there, that is how you fix the audio delay. So if you guys have found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification. Drop us a comment if you have any questions. And I just want to say thanks for watching.